What's going on, everybody? It's Patrick from MTO Productions. Come back. Got this little cute thing I want to show you. So come on back. What is up? How is my filmmakers and photographers? So about a week ago or two, I pulled this off the shelf, sitting behind you, right up there, and thought, I'll load this up and shoot with it and see what we can get out of it. Now, hold the phone, calm down. I know there's not much here, but what we have here is a Nikon Coolpix L11. Came out in 2007. She has a whopping 6.0 megapixels. Is capable of shooting ISO 8. Has a 2.4 inch LCD screen. And when it comes to video, 480. So, listen to this lens. Yeah, she's pretty gnarly. Now, as you see, we're rolling in some video from this camera. Now, careful how you put this in post and do all that stuff with it so you can get it out and it not be stuck at 480. But here's what I'm going to throw down where I'm going at with this little camera. The one thing it does that I like, you don't have to worry about, is finding batteries. It uses AA's. Now, personally, I think it's a plus. Negatively, it's 6 megapixels. But I'm going to put a 35mm picture up now, and right after that, I'm going to put up a picture from here. You want that 35mm look. I'm not so sure this isn't a digital camera for you. You may be wondering, can you clean these things up in Lightroom? Well, yeah, I did. Here's a couple I'm going to throw up before and after from Lightroom that I was really impressed that I was able to bring what I brought out of the picture itself. Now, are you going to come up with bangers on this thing? No. Are you wanting a 35mm look? You may get that from this. Do you want to shoot video with a kind of old feel to it? You will get it out of this. So if you're wanting to do all that, then maybe this little booger is the answer to the question. You know, I'm not disappointed in the thing. For those particular reasons. You get that 35mm look, you get, you know, old vintage film look from it, video look. And people are still looking for that right now. And it's kind of crazy, but they are. So TV 480 is what this thing shoots in. But this is the way I've had this camera. We've actually owned this camera for a long time. It was a pickup after another one we've got that I'll bring back. I'll bring to the channel pretty soon. But that's the winning thing right there is AA's. I've had those AA's in there for, like I said, I think I pulled it off a couple weeks ago, and I threw them in there, and they actually are used. I've been using them on something else. Popped them out and put them in this, and I've been shooting with it off and on for a few days now. But yeah, so Nikon Coolpix L11. If you're looking for that vintage look, and there's one more thing, 2007, but this thing used SD cards. So you talk about, you know, really ramming it to it in the SD card department. I got a 16 gigabyte in there that is a 16 gigabyte ScanDisk Extreme Pro. I mean, this little sucker is writing as fast as it can write onto this thing. And every time I take a picture, and I'll show you right now, it takes it a second to put it in picture mode. Alright, it takes it a second. You'll watch. See the hourglass come through? So it takes a second for it to write, but with that particular SD card, it's writing as fast as it can go on that card. So anyways, guys, this is just a real quick, simple little video about this camera. I'm not mad about it. I'm gonna keep this thing around. Like I said, to film some, get some kind of funny video shots with it and that kind of stuff. But remember, if you put one up like this that uses AA batteries, take the batteries out before you put it away, so you don't ruin it, because that will ruin it once they corrode, go bad, all that good stuff. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Appreciate you watching. We'll see you soon. I got some other cool ones coming up with, actually, let me show you. Say cheese. Later, guys.